Just 30 years ago, Vietnam was very different. Most people never expected such rapid growth. Today, the country is transforming the world. Vietnam cities are growing at incredible speed. New businesses appear almost every year. Economic activity is visible everywhere. Hanoi reflects Vietnam's remarkable transformation. Old traditions meet modern development here. The nation continues moving forward rapidly. Manufacturing has changed Vietnam's future completely. Factories now employ millions of workers. Investment continues flowing into the country. Global companies are expanding across Vietnam. They're building factories and supply chains, creating opportunities for local communities. Vietnam's ports connect it to the world. Goods leave these terminals every day. Trade has become a major growth engine. Vietnam exports products across the globe. Its trade network grows larger each year. International demand keeps increasing steadily. Infrastructure plays a crucial role in growth. Road networks are expanding across Vietnam, helping industries move products faster. Education has become a national priority. Young professionals are gaining valuable skills, supporting the country's economic ambitions. Vietnam's skyline looks very different today. Modern development is visible everywhere. The transformation continues year after year. Vietnam is investing heavily in education. Universities are producing skilled graduates yearly, preparing workers for a modern economy. Technology is becoming increasingly important today. Young professionals are entering digital industries, helping Vietnam compete on a global scale. Industrial zones are expanding across Vietnam. Foreign investors continue building new facilities. Economic growth remains remarkably strong. Factories produce goods for global markets. Millions of products leave Vietnam annually, supporting growth throughout the entire country. Transportation networks are improving rapidly today. Railways connect industries with major ports, making trade more efficient than ever. Da Nang showcases Vietnam's modern development. Tourism and business continue growing together, transforming the city year after year. Traditional industries still remain very important. Fishing supports countless coastal communities today, contributing significantly to local economies. Supply chains are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Modern logistics help businesses grow faster, strengthening Vietnam's position in global trade. Small businesses drive economic activity daily. Entrepreneurs continue creating new opportunities everywhere, fueling growth throughout the country. Consumer spending is rising across Vietnam. Growing incomes are changing everyday life, creating demand for new industries. Construction is reshaping many Vietnamese cities. New buildings appear almost everywhere today, reflecting the nation's economic progress. Infrastructure projects support long-term development goals. Modern bridges connect regions more efficiently, helping businesses move goods quickly. Agriculture remains important to Vietnam's economy. Rice exports support millions of families, providing income across rural communities. The Mekong Delta feeds much of Vietnam. Its fertile land supports massive production, making agriculture a national strength. Goods travel across the country daily. Efficient transportation lowers business costs significantly, encouraging further investment and expansion. Vietnam's financial sector continues expanding rapidly. Investors are paying closer attention today. Confidence in the economy keeps growing. Capital markets are becoming more important. Businesses need funding to keep expanding, supporting long-term economic development goals. Foreign companies see enormous potential here. Many are investing billions into Vietnam, expecting growth to continue for decades. Manufacturing now reaches many different sectors. Automotive production continues increasing every year, adding strength to the national economy. Urban populations are increasing rapidly today. New housing projects are appearing everywhere, meeting demand from growing communities. Vietnam is modernizing its transport systems. Major cities are building advanced networks, improving mobility for millions of people. Large infrastructure projects are underway nationwide. New rail connections support economic growth, linking industries to key markets faster. Exports have become a national strength. Vietnam ships products across the globe. Trade drives much of its success. The clothing industry remains highly competitive. Global brands manufacture products in Vietnam, supporting millions of local jobs today. Traditional markets still play a major role. Local businesses serve communities every day, keeping economic activity constantly moving. Consumer demand continues rising across Vietnam. People have greater spending power today, transforming the country's retail industry. A new generation is building businesses. Innovation is becoming increasingly important here, creating opportunities for future growth. Air connectivity is improving every year. Airports support tourism and international trade, connecting Vietnam with a wider world. Tourism contributes billions to the economy. Visitors arrive from around the world, supporting businesses across many sectors. Technology is reshaping modern manufacturing today. Automation improves efficiency and productivity levels, helping industries stay globally competitive. Supply chains are becoming more advanced. Companies demand faster delivery and efficiency. Vietnam continues adapting to these changes. Industrial expansion remains a national priority. New projects are launched every year, driving employment and economic progress. Education supports Vietnam's long-term ambitions. Students are learning valuable technical skills, preparing for tomorrow's economic challenges. Business confidence continues growing rapidly today. Investors see strong potential in Vietnam, supporting future development across industries. Vietnam benefits from a strategic location. Major shipping routes pass nearby daily, making international trade more efficient. Electronics exports are growing quickly today. Factories produce products for global markets, strengthening Vietnam's economic position worldwide. Vietnam's cities continue evolving every year. Modern development is visible everywhere now, reflecting decades of economic progress. Few countries have changed as quickly. Growth has transformed cities and industries, capturing the world's attention today. Vietnam's rise is no longer unnoticed. Its influence continues expanding every year. The future looks increasingly promising. The country has come a long way. Its economic story is still unfolding. Could Vietnam become the next China?